So here's our Milltronics with a Centurion 6 controller, and Scott is using a keypad to run it. It was here, we're not sure why. We've got some of the covers are loose in here. We took them off for shipping. We actually have the cover for the spindle off. Here's the covers right here for the spindle, side covers, the coolant tank and pan, and then even the chip splash guard thing right there. You can see we got these all off. We took it out of a garage that had like a 9-foot door, so we had to take the cover off the top there so we could get it in. You can see the cabinet in here, everything is buzzing away. Got a nice inverter drive, software disk. Alright, looks good.
The screen.
Sure, here's the home screen.
So it's on.
Okay, beautiful.